Hey, what up, Chasers? It's your friendly neighborhood YouTuber's girlfriend, Sammy, back with a brand new cooking video. But it seems like we're missing somebody. So let's see if we can do a little magic trick here. Abracadabra, alakazam.
I have risen! And it's me, your friendly neighborhood YouTuber, Chase! So, as you guys can see, so we're back with a brand new cooking video because it turns out there's some of your guys' favorite videos, because I don't know if you guys actually cook along with us, but we encourage that, and the meals that we make for the most part are actually pretty edible and good. So as you can see from our layout here, we have chicken, pineapple, and an Instapot. So Sammy, what are we making today?
We're making some pineapple chicken in the Instapot. If you don't have an Instapot, you can also make it in a crock pot or even in the oven.
Alright Sammy, so to make this succulent, delicious pineapple chicken and Instapot meal, what are we gonna need?
To start, we will need pineapple and chicken. Right here we have about a whole pineapple, but you can use canned pineapple, that's alright too. You'll need about 20 ounces. We have about 2 pounds of chicken. We're using tenderloins. You can use breast or thighs, whichever, as long as it's 2 pounds. We have a 1/3 cup brown sugar. You'll need a 1/3 cup of soy sauce. You will need a 1/3 cup of Hoisin sauce. You will need a tablespoon of garlic. We cheated and we used the tube of garlic. You will need also a tablespoon of red pepper flakes.
Something that wasn't mentioned before. There's rice in this meal. In an Instapot. Or crock pot, whatever you're using.
Oh yeah, and you need sesame oil. Forgot about that one. So don't have it measured out.
Alright, so what's the first step we're going to need to do to make this meal?
So first things first, you need to cut your chicken. I'm cutting it into chunks. You can cut it into slices. I think chunks work best for this recipe.
You hear that? Don't be afraid to be a little chunky. That works too.
If you are using a can of pineapple, you need to set aside a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice.
Which we have right here from a fresh pineapple that we cut open. It's good pineapple too.
So now all you have to do is literally dump your food in.
Oh, look at that giant chunk of chicken meat.
So we have our chicken. We're going to dump our pineapple. We're going to dump our brown sugar, our hoisin.
You know, Hoyzan reminds me of the time we came across a man who was obsessed with boysenberries. Here's a little story for you, okay? So, buckle down a little bit. We're, just minding our own business at the grocery store when this old guy, like 70-something, with long white hair and jogger shorts up to here, comes up to us and goes, "So, they got any boysenberry?" with his own berries hanging out. That's story time. Let's get back to the meal.
So I added the hoisin, now adding the soy sauce, and our red pepper, and our garlic. I think you guys should know that we cheat now. I think every cooking video we've had garlic, we've not actually minced garlic.
No, who does that? You get garlics in tubes.
Peasants.
Right?
Alright, and our 2 tablespoons
The only thing we didn't pre-measure out.
of sesame.
Oh, do we use this?
No, that's set aside.
Jumping the gun.
Yep. Alright.
Literally set this aside.
Give this a little mix here. Get our cameraman to zoom in on it.
Oh yeah, pick up that sound. Oh yeah.
Give it a good mix so everything's mixed up.
Make sure that meat's nice and wet. That looks good. It smells good.
It does smell good. I can smell it.
It smells really good and hasn't even started cooking yet. The best part about an Instapot is like the steam that comes up through here. It smells so good. It feels like I'm eating it before I'm
Be careful. Don't put your face in front of it.
Yeah, and also remember Instapots can become like a little home bomb too, so just do it correctly. Don't blow the place up. Get your parents' permission before using the Instapot. Also, make sure your parents check what their homeowners and renters insurance is like. Make sure their policies are good. Otherwise, it's a nice, useful tool.
Alright, so make sure you put that lid on. Well, you can do that because I can never actually get it on.
I was just about to ask her, you gonna be able to put it on?
This goes in the front. Alright.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
You want to make sure that it is on sealing and not venting.
Again, don't blow anything up, you know?
Alright, so you want to do manual for 5 minutes. And you will start it. And that's it. Sealing. It'll come to pressure. And it'll start cooking.
That means it's cooking.
Alright, so now we are going to make our rice. First, you will need to rinse your rice. For every 1 cup of rice, you will need 2 cups of water.
So we're doing 2 cups of rice for this. So we got 4 cups of water. Quick maths.
Good job. So I'm going to add my rice.
Is there a reason why you have to rinse your rice beforehand?
I honestly have no idea. I was just always told that that's what you're supposed to do.
Okay.
And then
there
I'm
you
going
have
to
it.
add a pinch of salt here. Alright, so just getting all of that rice in. And then you want to bring it to a boil. As soon as it comes to a boil, you want to reduce to a low simmer.
Let me tell you, young whippersnappers, the reason why we strain out the rice is because you want to get that crap out of it, that surface starch and all that. Otherwise, it keeps it coming together. So you go rinse and strain that rice before you cook it. I swear to God.
Or you swear. Or you swear what?
It does smell very good, though.
Alright, so as it finishes, you want to release it for 10 minutes naturally. That means just don't push the seal over to vent yet. Wait 10 minutes, then do that and open your Instapot. But wait 10 minutes. So you will need 2 tablespoons of the cornstarch. Just gonna level this off. And 2 tablespoons of your pineapple juice. Then you will mix it all together. And then once your pressure is released, you will add it. Alright, so once that has naturally released for 10 minutes, you want to release the rest of the pressure.
Ha 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 ha! My magic!
Smells awesome.
It does. How's that smell, girl? How's that smell? Huh? How's
Give me down.
How's that smell, Pete?
Alright,
It
so
smells
once,
good. She's licking her lips. She's.
alright, so once that has fully released, to open it.
Oh man. Can get a shot of this. Oh, that looks like heaven. A tropical paradise heaven.
Alright, so that cornstarch and pineapple juice mixture we are going to add to thicken this sauce.
We all like a little thick.
You can also use a flour. Cornstarch just works better.
Oh, I remember this meal now. We made this, we didn't have the cornstarch, so
Yep.
we tried using flour, and
It
it
didn't
didn't
taste
quite
as good.
work as well, but it still works.
Told you we made it before. You also need to have it on the saute function. So now that it's on the saute function.
A little delayed there.
As I'm mixing it, I'm realizing it's not on that function. Alright, So we'll wait for that to thicken up a bit. It'll start sauteing, and you'll want to continue to stir it. If you want it to be thicker sauce, then you can go in with another tablespoon of cornstarch and another tablespoon of the pineapple juice.
Thick it as needed. Thick.
So it's a little mushy.
It's more of like a rice pudding right now. Typically, you can use even like an Instapot to cook rice in. It works really well. You can get a rice cooker. We had to do it the peasant way, you know, on a kettle with water. Huh. Oh my.
Clearly I can't do that. So.
Now here, come follow me. Listen to this thing boil. If only YouTube videos could be scratch and sniff. Because you guys are missing out right now. Just smells wonderful.
Alright, and there we have it. So we are serving it with rice. If you want, you can top it with some sesame.
Got this perfect bowl of pineapple right here. Let's see how this tastes.
You can garnish it with some almond slivers.
Almond livers?
Slivers.
That is so good. The tenderness of the chicken. And then the sweetness of that nice, like, basically grilled, sauteed pineapple. On a bed of rice pudding.
I didn't see what happened. What?
You're gonna love this though. No, trust me. You wanna try it?
No, I'm good. You're sick, so.
Oh yeah. No, I have been sick. She probably doesn't want to try what this for. But that's it for this video, guys. As always, if you enjoyed it, go ahead and like it. And as always, you know, if you want to join the best community here on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe and turn on that alert notification bell. If you guys have some kind of dessert, baked, or food that you want to see done and cooked, and us try it and let you know if it tastes good or bad, this tastes good, go ahead and comment something that you want us to try next, and we'll make sure to do it. Follow me on my social medias, Real Chase TV on Twitter, as well as on Twitch. And guys, that's it. And as per usual, Chase, signing out.